Hi, what a lovely day. How is your weekend going?
It's going great, thanks. Just relaxing and enjoying nature.
That sounds wonderful. Have you finished reading that novel you were telling me about?
Yes, I finished it last week. The ending was quite surprising.
Really? What was surprising about it?
Well, the main character's decision completely changed the plot.
That sounds intriguing. We'll have to read it soon.
Definitely. I think you'll enjoy it.
By the way, have you learned any new vocabulary words recently?
Actually, yes. I learned serendipity yesterday.
That's a great word. Have you used it in a sentence yet?
Not yet, but I'll try to today.
What does serendipity mean to you?
Finding something valuable unexpectedly.
Exactly. It's such a lovely concept.
Yeah, I want to experience serendipity someday.
I'm sure you will. Do you have a favorite author?
Jane Austen. Her writing is so witty.
Agreed. Pride and Prejudice is a classic.
Have you read Emma?
Not yet, but it's on my list.
You'll love it. Emma's character development is amazing.
Character development is crucial in novels.
Absolutely. It makes the story relatable.
What's your favorite genre? Fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction, especially historical fiction.
Historical fiction provides valuable insights.
Exactly. We can learn from the past.
Do you have a favorite quote from the book?
From To Kill a Mockingbird, kindness is contagious.
Beautiful. That's so true.
Quotes like that inspire me.
Me too. Let's exchange book recommendations.
Sounds great. I'd love that.
What's your favorite season?
Spring. I love the blooming flowers.
Me too. The park looks beautiful during spring.
Have you tried any new outdoor activities?
Yes, I started jogging last week.
That's great. Jogging is an excellent way to stay fit.
Do you have a favorite outdoor game?
Yes, Frisbee. Want to play?
Love to. Let's grab a
Perfect day for a picnic.
Agreed. What's your favorite food?
Sandwiches. Easy to make and pack.
Smart choice. Sandwiches are versatile.
What's your favorite park activity?
People watching. Fascinating to observe behaviors.
True. Human behavior is intriguing.
Do you have a favorite park memory?
Yes, last year's Cherry Blossom Festival.
Beautiful. Festivals bring people together.
Definitely. Community events are essential.